Hello, viewer. Well, it's a wet and rainy day and cold. And as we look up, you can see that there's still that little bit of mezzanine up the very top there. So what we're going to do today is move the scaffolding, dismantle that, move it across to here, and erect it so that we can get at that top mezzanine and dismantle the boards, take down the hay, get it down to ground level, bag it up, and hopefully that will make the upstairs clear for whatever we want to do next. There's not an awful lot of light in here, so just going to get on with it and show you what it looks like afterwards. See you later. It's only when I cleared all the hay away that I discovered that it's not a bunch of planks nailed to the beam, but in actual fact, a huge oak door, an old door, very, very heavy, about 1.5 meters by 1.5 meters. So the only option is to push it down in its entirety. Here we go. And that came down well enough.